baliw na. Walang duda-duda. Bakit? Ano bang gusto mong gawin kung kagatin ko pa yan eh? Dito pa lang kagatin ko yan. No, I don't. Please change the color of your lipstick to pink. It's more beautiful for you. Novi, Erna, Novi. Actually, I don't have lipstick on. Cause I don't have any makeup now, guys. I don't have any lipstick on my lips. That's my natural lips color. I don't have makeup on because I'm going to sleep. I'm done cleaning my face. So that's my natural face. I don't have put anything. I don't have makeup on. I don't have lipstick for today's video. I don't have. That's my natural color of my lips. Because, you know, it's night time. I'm going to sleep. Denzel, what are you doing? Shut up. Tigasin ko mukha mo eh. Mark J. Photo hingal-hingal. Explain me. No, you know already about that. No need to explain. You want me to suntok you? I will suntok you. Oh my gosh, I have already 1 hour. 1 hour and 1 minute. Hi, Anton. Anton Lucky Lola. Yes, I'm a Lola already because I am 52 years old tomorrow. Mama Ellie, hello. Thank you so much, Mama Ellie, sa pagbisita. Dino-order ng live ko. Meron ng tao. Ako man yan ng 63. Good evening, Mama Ellie. Nag-int na ako. Wala ng tao. Kaya nga eh. Okay lang yan. Nag-live lang. Advance happy birthday to you. Thank you. Nakadalawang oras ka ba? Iwan ko ba? Umaabot mo ng 60 plus. Down to 40. Ngayon lang naman yan. Ibahala yan dyan. Kaya nga live lang din ako kahit walang tao. Sis, may hindi na. Si Mama Eli naman itin ko. You can connect with Mama Eli, sis. Legit ito si Mama Eli. Luan, hello. Almost 3 hours. Kagam. Dimas Kubien. Hello, my dear. Thank you so much for coming. Nakatuwa din. Ay, okay lang yan. At least naka-update ka sa documentation. Sinisipag-sipag ko lang mag-live sa ano eh. Wala na, nabagsak na yung ano ko. Nag-image ko. Nakaraan kasi tinatamad ako. At least meron. Marami na rin yung subscribers mo, ah. Madami ako energy pa naman ngayon eh. Galing-galing mo nga eh, magulang ko. Ako hindi ako marunong yan. Nahuhulog lang. Sana all ganyang edad malakas ka. Kami kaya dito. Pag ganyang edad. Baka manan. Pagka mamaili, nagkukuy-kuy na. Uy!